24 small bathrooms with great feng shui. The stunning blue color in this tiny bathroom is just magnificent. Plus brass accessories and dark wood, all is kept simple and so warm and inviting. This is one of the rare cases when blue color feels warm. Notice how the bathtub is painted the same color as the wall and the radiators, all creating a more expanded space. Here's a great and easy way to energize a small, blah-feeling bathroom with bright color and crisp details. You have fresh white color pendants, beautiful oval mirrors in black frames and his and hers bright art. The stunning choice of faucets completes and grounds the energy very nicely in this bathroom. Look at this crisp and stunning bathroom. Love the high-gloss black color door, the white subway tiles with dark grout and the few elegant and crisp golden accessories. Love the overall feeling of elegant, fresh, and simple luxury. A big splash of magenta pink color in this bathroom is all it takes for it to become fantastic. The natural art on the wall and the plant add to the simple, joyful feeling without visually competing. Love the paneled wall painted in dusty blue color and the simple country shelving. The table covered in simple material and the linen blinds make this small bathroom so very charming. Here's a small bathroom with a big voice. Love the oversized bouquet of branches, the wooden stool and the old wooden mirror on the wall. With tons of natural light coming in, this bathroom is very peaceful. The dark wood toilet seat cover, the well-styled wall art, and the mirror, plus the cologne bottle, say it all. Even without reading the gentleman sign on the door. A stylish, tiny, and warm bathroom, love it. The crisp energy of square and rectangular shapes and the all-white color scheme make this into a very serene bathroom. The natural motifs add warmth and a bit of character to this beautiful bathroom. Here's another example of gallery-style wall art, bold in color, and doubled by its view in the mirror. Whimsical wall painting on the bathroom wall and nickel sink finishing, high baseboards and good lighting make this a joyful bathroom. The dark color walls and a variety of art placed in the gallery style, plus a colorful rug, make this into a bathroom to remember. Peaceful art and flow of simplicity in this beautiful bathroom are great examples of good feng shui. From the hat-shaped wall pendants with a golden color inside to the side table with a big bouquet and the flowing shaped bathtub, it is all beautiful. This bathroom might look cluttered with all the plants, but the old ladder and the hunter green color tiles give it a sense of natural charm and coziness. Crisp colorful accessories will always make a small clean bathroom come to life with vibrant energy. A variety of white color tones and a subtle play of shapes bring a sweet quality of energy to this simple, unpretending bathroom. Bright nature accessories and natural tones make this bathroom feel fresh and warm at the same time. All the textures and shapes work very harmoniously to create a sense of crisp freshness in this bathroom. Warm splashes of soft green and blue pastel colors make it into a warm, happy, and well-organized bathroom. Here's a great example or a tiny bathroom with excellent feng shui, from the black honeycomb patterned floor to the crisp white plus brass fittings and the unforgettable kilim rug. Crisp, colorful, warm, and fresh energy in this very tiny bathroom creates excellent feng shui. I love this tiny, feminine and so gorgeous bathroom. Notice how it is all created with an oversized mirror, a chandelier, and a sweet sand dollar mobile on the inner wall of the bathroom. This bathroom is tinier than tiny and so very well done. Crisp white color contrasted with a wall of black tiles, the gilded mirror, the rich wood floor, and the art are all brilliant details. The splash of saturated yellow makes it burst to life with joy. Love it. The beautiful white paneled walls and the black color detailing make this into an elegant bathroom to remember. Notice the black color paint on the ceiling, clever and so beautiful. A splash of red color on the wall and black color on the sink make this quite ordinary bathroom quickly come to life. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more interesting videos. And please hit the like button for the YouTube algorithm.